Hello everyone, welcome back. I know we're almost a month into the new year, but Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2026 and I am refreshing my home, making it calming and relaxing. I like to do neutrals, lots of whites and tans and beiges just to kind of have a cleanser after all of the crazy fall, Halloween, and Christmas decor and before I jump into Valentine's Day and spring. So I started here in the kitchen. That was the easiest place for me to start. I don't know about you, but when I'm changing out seasonal decor in our home, it is absolute madness, craziness, chaos. There's stuff everywhere. There's a little bit of Christmas here, a little bit of Halloween that I forgot to put away, a little bit of the new decor, and stuff is just all over. It is so overwhelming and it took me so long this year to get Christmas down and put away. Anyways, I hope your start to the new year has been wonderful. We have been so busy. Like I told you in a previous video, I started a new job and I work later now than I did before. And we've been busy on the weekends, so I feel like I have less time to film and edit, and I'm just really bad about procrastinating. That's something I want to work on this year. I want to try to get ahead in my videos and keep consistently uploading, so that's going to be a goal for me this year. Let me know if you guys have any big goals for yourself this year. How were your holidays? How's your new year going? I want to hear from you, so let me know in the comments down below. I was gonna do my normal stacked magnolia table cookbooks here, but I was like, you know what, let me bring back my cookbook holder and just put one on display. I wanted to change it up a little bit from what I've been doing for a long time, so I brought this back out. Was deciding between the one with the black or the tan. I decided to go with the tan, so it was more just calming, relaxing. Like I said in the beginning, I want it to be very toned down as I transition into the new year and before I start adding more color in. You guys know I'm not really a neutral decor person. I like to put soft colors into my decor, but this is the one time of year I really just want it to be neutral, not a lot going on, and it just kind of resets before I start doing all of my fun stuff again. In the dining room, we're keeping it super simple and functional. So I'm putting this Hearth in Hand table runner on here. I've had this for a few years now, and it's holding up pretty well. It's a good placeholder for between holidays when I don't really know what to do with this space. And honestly, you could use it for any holiday and add in color with what you put in the tablescape on top of that. I'm just putting some flowers and then napkins and salt and pepper shakers. Like I said, super simple and functional in this space for now. These shelves I was not completely happy with after I decorated them. I feel like decorating these when it's not some kind of holiday or really any kind of season is really difficult for me. I don't know if it's because I don't have enough just regular decor that can go through all of the seasons. Maybe I need to collect more stuff that's just neutral and basic that I can use whenever, and then when I don't have seasonal decor, I have something to put on these shelves. But it was really hard for me and I wasn't super happy with them, but I was like, you know what, whatever, because it's going to be changing anyway when I do Valentine's Day. So I just went with what I came up with, and even though I didn't love it, I just left it, and I'll change it soon enough. Also, if you're wondering what I'm watching, I am watching Brad Mondo as I clean right here and then decorate. I absolutely love watching Brad Mondo's reaction videos to people styling, cutting, and dyeing their own hair. If you haven't watched him before, I highly suggest it because he is so funny. I absolutely love his videos. right here, I'm using my thrifted basket and I'm putting flowers in it, but I have a fun idea for Valentine's Day that I actually saw someone else do somewhere on social media and I loved the idea, so I'm gonna use it for my Valentine's Day decorating. All of the stuff that I used in the kitchen, dining room, and in the living room are things that I already owned. I think I've only used one new item, which you'll see in the entryway. I have picked up stuff for Valentine's Day and for spring already. Let me know if you want to see a Valentine's Day decor haul or if you just want me to jump right into the decorating. Do you guys still like to see decor hauls, or are you not so much into them and you just like to see the decorating? And when I talk about where I got stuff in the videos, let me know what you think. If you purchased this pillow with the bow on it, has your bow like disconnected from the pillow? Because I had it on the area where we normally sit and the bow on the right side pulled off of the pillow, like the thread came out, and I had to sew it back on myself. So I've learned to not put it in a high traffic area. It kind of is pulling again even after I re-sewed it, but I'm going to keep it away from where we sit and where a lot of people sit so it kind of holds up longer, but I guess I'll just re-sew it again if I need to. Also, I was wrong when I said the only new thing was in the entryway. I also have the new peonies from the Hearth and Hand spring line on the coffee table. I think I have 5 of them in that vase. They are gorgeous and they are real feel and I highly recommend them. Now it's time for the final spaces refresh. Like I said, I feel like I don't have enough stuff for when there's no holidays or seasons happening because all I have was that one little watering can hanging up, which, you know, I guess it's fine. Having kind of a minimal look is okay. And then my other new item is this horse picture from the new Studio McGee spring line. I absolutely love it. You can't hang it from the ribbon, actually. That is just a decorative piece. So if you have purchased it, be careful and don't hang it by that ribbon. I think it says it on there when you buy it. So I'm just putting this and then my candle warmer on the entryway, keeping it simple. And that's it for this space, really. I'm not putting anything down below. Like I said, super simple and easy and calming here. Thank you guys for joining me for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Be on the lookout for my Valentine's Day content, and then hopefully I'll have some cleaning and or organizing content coming, and then we'll have spring, and there is just so much to come. So make sure you are here to stay tuned, subscribe, get those notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one.